Psalms. Chapter 6. For the chief musician, on stringed instruments, upon the 8-stringed lyre. A psalm by David. Lord, do not rebuke me in your anger, neither discipline me in your wrath. Be gracious to me, Lord, for I am frail. Lord, heal me, for my bones are trembling, and my soul is greatly troubled. But you, Lord, how long? Return, Lord. Deliver my soul. Save me because of your loving kindness. For in death there is no memory of you. In Sheol, who shall give you thanks? I am weary with my groaning. Every night I drench my bed. I melt my couch with my tears. My eye wastes away because of grief. It grows old because of all my adversaries. Depart from me, all you workers of iniquity, for the Lord has heard the sound of my weeping. The Lord has heard my plea. The Lord has accepted my prayer. May all my enemies be ashamed and greatly terrified. May they turn back and be suddenly ashamed.